Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Sangeeta Art. So, today we are going to do related festival craft. That one is Diwali festival craft, paper candle craft. So, I'm going to show you that one how it will be. So, for this activity, we need one A4 sheet paper, one marker, glitter sheets in it for this, or decorative items, anything you can take like kundans, mirrors, anything you can take for this decorative items, and two pieces of cardboard like this you need to take. One is medium size and one is smaller than this, okay? And two pieces of papers also we need to take like this, and we are going to stick inside of this. I will tell you this one also how to do. And one scissor, Fevicol. This material is enough for this activity. So first we are going to take this cardboard. This one is we are taking for this candle base, okay? And now this one we are going to keep in the middle like this, and edges we are going to cut with scissor up to this cardboard, okay? Like this it should be, okay? And yeah, around this we are going to keep some Fevicol, okay? And we are going to fold like this properly, edges. It will stick very nicely, okay? And keep some Fevicol over here and stick for this both cards. And we are going to take a bigger one down of this small cardboard, okay? Like these two cardboards we are going to stick. Now what to do is, this A4 sheet paper we are going to fold it into half. Fold it properly and tear it or cut with scissor. It will be like this, okay? And here we are going to do this one roll like this. How it will be, I am going to show you. See, here like this Fevicol we are going to take on this paper, and we are going to fold slowly this one, okay? It will stick very nicely if you take Fevicol like this, and two sides you need to hold like this. This one roll it properly, and edges also we are going to take some Fevicol, and we are going to stick it properly. Hold like this and stick properly. That will stick very nicely, okay? See, like this we are going to do this candle. Now what to do is, we are taking outlines like this. We are going to cut this one. See, for sticking part, no, it will take some time. Press it 2 to 3 times, then it will stick very properly. Like this it should be. Keep aside. And this base already we have done, no? So this candle we are going to keep on this like this, okay? I will tell you that one also. First let me do this one decorative decoration part. See, like this one is glitter paper. So you need to cut like two standing lines like we are going to cut, and we are going to take out this back of this paper, okay? Then it will stick very nicely, dear. See, upper part of this just we are going to keep like this, okay? And extra this one we are going to cut. It will stick, okay? Yes. And down part of this also we are taking one more paper. Like this we are taking this back of this paper, and down part of this also we are going to stick like this, dear, okay? Yes, like this. Beautiful, no? Now what to do is, small glitter diamond shapes or round shapes also you can cut. Whatever shape you like, yes, you can cut these glitter papers, and you need to paste on this. Decorate this one like this, okay? We are going to stick like this. We are taking little bit Fevicol, and we are going to stick like this, children, okay? Yes, now, yeah, you can, if you have this one kundans or mirrors, whatever you have at home, decorative items, yes, you can decorate very nicely this one. And down part of this, no, here we are going to take a little bit Fevicol for this edges, and we have done with this base, no, we are going to stick on this, dear. Okay, yes, almost you are done with this candle. Now what to do is, very nice, no? Now we are going to take outline like this, and we are going to cut this one. Yes, children, and after cutting it will be like this. Inside of this also we are going to take same shape but little bit smaller than that. Yes, and back of this, yes, inside of this, no, you can take this golden color glitter paper, that will look more beautiful actually. Okay, now we are going to stick this one for this edge of this candle. Yes, children, it will be like this, and you can keep here down of this base also. You can decorate very nicely with kundans or whatever glitter paper also. You can cut and paste on this very nicely. Already I have done for you one beautiful candle. See, like this you can decorate. This one is glitter paper only. I have cut like this one standing line, and I have pasted like this. This one sticking part, that will take little bit time, children. That's what I have done for you. This one, see, like kundans, like beads, whatever you have at home, yes, you can do like this sticking part. You can decorate like this, children. Whatever I have decorative items, I have done like this beautifully. Yes, hope everyone is enjoyed with this beautiful candle craft. Thank you so much.